The next type of mixture which we are going to study is suspension. In suspension, as you see, the diagrams are made where the particles are large enough than the solution particles and they are clearly visible, but they are unstable and settle down. Today I am going to explain you about suspension. In the previous class we studied about solution. Keep this thing in your mind that when we study about solution, suspension and these kind of mixtures, and after this we will study about colloids. So these are the mixtures. Whenever solution is mentioned, then you will consider solution as a true solution. Okay, and this is suspension. So what is suspension? Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture, means the particle size of solute and solvent do not mix with each other properly. The composition at some place is different and other place is different. Second, solute does not dissolve but remains suspended in whole medium, means the solute particles will be visible throughout the medium in the that will be seen easily from top to bottom if in a solution it is taken. Third, particle size is bigger than that of solution, means the particle in solution the particles were not being able to seen by the naked eyes, but here it is visible by naked eyes. We can see the particles of the suspension easily. It scatters a beam of light. Last time I explained what is scattering. Scattering is when the light rays incident on the particles of the solution and reflect back in the medium with the different angles, then we see it is like scattering of light. But here in the solution, because the particle size was very small, so scattering was negligible. But here the particle size is bigger, so scattering is possible. So light scatters in the suspension. It is an unstable solution. Suspension is unstable. That means that if we keep the suspension undisturbed for a long time, then the particles of solute will settle down. Okay, and the composition will again change from top to bottom. And at last, the solute and solvent can be separated by filtration, because we have studied the particle size is bigger. So if we do the filtration process here, then solute and solvent will be separated by this physical method. So these are the basic properties and points of suspension mixture. These are some examples of suspension, like floor water or muddy water, where the particles remain throughout in the solution and settle down after being kept for a long time.